In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Alipay to GCash. If you've ever needed to move funds from Alipay into a GCash wallet, the simplest way is to use a GCash QR code that the Alipay sender can scan. I'll walk you through exactly what to tap inside GCash so the other person can pay you via Alipay quickly and securely. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your dashboard so you're on the main home screen. A stable internet connection helps everything appear right away, and make sure you're already logged in so you don't get interrupted mid-process. Once you're on the home screen, you're ready for the next step. Next, tap the QR option inside GCash. You'll usually see a small QR icon on the main screen. This area is designed for two things: scanning other people's codes or generating your own. Since you want to receive money from Alipay into your GCash, you won't be scanning anything here. You'll be showing your code to the sender. Now choose Generate Code. This tells GCash to create a QR that's linked to your account. You'll notice there's a difference between scan and generate. Scan is for paying others, while generate is for receiving money. By generating your code, you're making it easy for someone using Alipay to send funds directly to your GCash. Finally, tap Receive Money via QR code. This is the specific option that enables incoming payments through services like Alipay. GCash will display a QR that the Alipay user can scan. At this point, you can hold your screen up for them to scan in person or take a clear screenshot and share it securely if you're not together. Turn your screen brightness up so the code is easy to read, avoid glare, and keep the full code visible without cropping. From here, the Alipay sender simply scans your GCash QR on their end and completes the payment. You won't need to enter anything else in GCash. When the payment goes through, you should see a confirmation in your GCash app and your balance will update. Processing is usually quick, but timing can vary depending on network conditions. If anything doesn't go through right away, double-check that the QR is current and clear and try again. A couple of quick reminders. Only share your QR with people you trust and never share one-time passcodes or passwords. That's all you need. Open GCash, tap the QR, generate your code, and select. Receive money via QR code to accept money from Alipay easily and securely.